Hello everyone, you may have seen Spirit of Christmas on Create and Craft. Well, we've got a collection that complements it perfectly, and this one is from the Highlight Crafts website. So let's take a little look at some of the designs that you've got here that you could be using alongside the collection you've already bought or been looking at, or you can use these completely independently. So first of all, we've got the word peace. The detail on this collection where you've got the snow that sits across all the tops of the letters and then that holly intertwined in there, and then consider layering them up to get depth and dimension to it. Comes with the outline die. You're getting both of those in this set, but that is the first in the collection. The next one that we've got are little branches or crescents of holly, and these work brilliantly whether you want to make them into a great big wreath, you want to do them as a border, or you want to tuck them behind elements, or just layer up some of the designs around them. But this is going to be a must-have for all Christmases. The next one I've got for you is the candlestick or the candelabra. Now, this would look fabulous if you had a cascade of flowers over it, but because it's Christmas, we've given you the candles. Candles have been burning for a few hours already, and sitting on the top of here, they're crying out to be intertwined within the words of the actual sentiments that we've already seen and we're about to see coming up. But imagine these literally sitting to the side of the card, drawing your eye into the rest of the picture. And then we've also got Merry Christmas, one of the most iconic sentiments that we all use every year, and layered up to give dimension, as you can see here. Perhaps a little bit of glitter on the top of that would look lovely. And then I've got some cards to share with you, some ideas and some inspiration. There are lots of beautiful backgrounds that you can download at highlightcrafts.com, and also don't forget to watch all of the tuition that we have on our YouTube channel. But while you're doing all of this, and this is that swag of holly that I mentioned earlier, you can see how you can extend it. So you're paying for this much and you're creating this and this. It's such a versatile piece that you're going to use it again and again. Those candlesticks layered up to give you the depth that you've got, and of course our Christmas sentiments across the front. Then we move into a completely different sentiment. This one again is using the candlesticks with that holly round the edges, intertwined and picking up on the detail that we've got at the front here. Sometimes we just want a small, wide, slim card, or even a tall, slim one. This one looks really good. And again, the holly's been used and that word says it all. Doesn't always have to fit within the boundaries of the card frame. It can go over the edges as we're showing here. And I did mention how versatile that holly was for creating your own wreaths. But the whole collection together is giving you the look and feel that is true traditional Christmas. If you would like this collection, don't forget to visit highlightcrafts.com. It's available on our website. Watch out for all of our YouTube videos. Combine it with the collection that you'll have seen, the Spirit of Christmas, that's on Create and Craft. See if there's any of that left on the website too. And we now have our live shopping events on a Monday at 7 p.m. on Facebook and Instagram. So check those out. In the meantime, I'd like to take the opportunity, whatever time of year you're watching, to wish you a very Merry Christmas.
If you want to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below, and click the bell icon to receive notifications of all of our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video, or click here to see more videos like this one.